My name is Rick Mapes. I'm a technical supervisor for Polyglass USA. We're here today to do some product training and product demonstration for Semper Solaris. One thing that we do with our products is we provide solutions for both roofing and waterproofing aspects. So the main thing is again, a solution that they find maybe in their challenges of everyday installs, where they run into confined conditions that don't fit the regular bill for typical everyday roofing products. We can provide solutions to address their concerns.
My name is Adam Munoz. I was a corporal in the United States Marine Corps, and I am now a crew lead at Semper Solaris. The training that provided us was really, really great. Just knowing the new materials that we're going to be installing and knowing how everything is installed, it really helps us out because it'll help us identify if there are any issues. And it's good to know that we know how the finished product looks like, and knowing how everything is installed kind of makes it easier on us. Everything will be watertight when we're putting on the solar panels on top of their roof. Therefore, the homeowner who purchased the roof will actually get the best quality product that we are providing for them.